Welcome back to ASL Chennai Speaks Out. Sir, when it comes to global releases, why have a single date? Do you believe that deferring it sometimes can root out this problem to some extent?
It doesn't come only from overseas. It is here. The piracy fever is all around, not only Chennai, all over Tamil Nadu, all over the world actually. But in Tamil Nadu, every theatre, the operators give the print out just for a few thousands, just to pocket that few thousands that night. They collect money.
Huh?
Yeah, because,
is that a sweeping generalization?
My friend was saying we should live with prohibition, prostitution and piracy. There are reports about it is not that innocent projector who's giving it out or the innocent person who's downloading YouTube. Piracy has become an organized crime. There's reported things right from the D Company to the Kamal Haasan was saying the other day. It's not easy to do that 50,000 copies in a matter of a second. It is an organized, well synchronized crime organization, and I think it's not something which we should live with, because when we saw there are reports about the 2611 being funded by film industry.
How many of you believe, when Kamal Haasan made an important point the other day, he said that the money that comes out of video piracy is used to fund extremist terrorist activities. Show of hands, how many of you agree with Kamal Haasan?
There are so many villains, you cannot point out a villain. It's become like a cancer. It's spread so vastly that it's so easy accessible, you can't record any video or anything. The solution for this is...
Do you believe that the association you represent is also one of the villains?
Yes, I think so, sir.
Okay, that's very candid of him to admit that. Okay.
Yes.
What are people like you doing to...
It has to be stopped. It shouldn't last for long, because the producers are going to lose heavily on this, because the technology has developed so much that it has become very easy to record any stuff, whatever you want.
Ma'am, and that's, I'd like to ask you, when you bust one gang, another unit springs up just like that. How is that, ma'am?
See, that's a very, very typical characteristic of any organized crime, because the profit margins are so high that there are many people into it. And then you talked about the terror component of this problem. It's not a very recent discovery. It has been very much there, and particularly music industry, if you people recall, there have been incidents of murder also.
Law has to be implemented.
Yeah.
Law is not yet implemented as it should have been.
We are not saying that we have to be casual about the problem. This is, I don't think, should be anybody's approach towards the problem. All we have to do is to realize that it's not enough if we start pointing fingers at each other that you just register cases, send people to jail and problem will be solved. No, we will continue to do our job. See, I am talking about the video piracy cell. Not only video piracy cell, but the local police also register cases in the entire state of Tamil Nadu. And even the cell which I am talking about, which is just a part of the entire crime branch, it has got only 12 units in the entire state. Even these 12 units, with all their handicaps and resources problem, they have detected nearly 2,200 cases last year.
Over what period? Last year?
Last year, 2000.
Which means you're completely, the common man's perception, ma'am, especially film industry, a lot of people I've been talking to, one second, all the film industry people I've been talking to, ma'am, their perception is that video piracy gets the lowest priority from the enforcement agencies, and that the video piracy cells, not just here but across the country, are hellholes of corruption. They are the most corrupt cells across the country, not just in Tamil Nadu. Is that a flawed perception? Is it unfair to target, to shoot the messenger?
That again is linked with the units where people work for enforcing laws, where a lot of money is involved, whether it is drugs or whether it is video piracy or whether it is prohibition or whether it is traffic. So
it's not a flawed perception, you admit it is?
No, I would not even say that it is some 100% correct perception. As far as corruption is there, it is there in almost each department. I don't know whether anybody sitting here can raise his hand or her hand and say that my department is 100% free of corruption. Please do that. I would be very happy to meet such a person.
See, the law is taking its own course.
So I can also not take such a claim. I can also not stand here and say that, well, I don't have a single person. That's not the point I'm making here, and that is not the topic, I think. The topic is that enforcement is a part of the solution. And another problem, the problem has to be solved. One is you have to do the access control. And the third solution from the enforcement side, I would like to place before the industry, is to have an intelligence cell, which we are having in Mumbai and in Hyderabad. Right now, we do not have any structured mechanism to exchange information or intelligence with the
The
industry.
software industry has done it quite well.
Yeah,
they have
done it.
dedicated cells,
In
dedicated
fact,
helplines.
Particularly Microsoft, I would say
Microsoft
that
and
they
BSc,
have
the business
taken
software
very
lines.
aggressive steps in. It is a 1,500 crore industry. I mean, we are talking in terms
So
of
wake up
1,000
call, ma'am, for the
crores.
film industry now. So wake up call. Finally, it's dawned on everybody that the problem could lie within.
Yeah, it's a problem lies only for not only for the, I mean, for cine industry. It's the problem threatening everywhere. Actually, no, that that culprit lies nowhere else, only in the cine industry itself, not the public, as Susi Ganesan has said. You cannot blame the
I'll tell you.
public.
Why I said public means that awareness only bring down what she says. I think that any law will not control completely. That awareness among the people only bring down the whole any crime. Take any crime. I mean, people they don't feel like. Then, no. That's what we the point they said the theatre rates are high.
Actually,
they
from
are
the
finding reasons to be just being a culprit. Because I am just saying, okay, I want to go theatre with 5 people. I am just spending my money. Then be at home, watch TV. Then why are
that whole cine industry is based
the
on the
problem
public.
is we are finding reasons to be a culprit.
You have to obtain indemnity bond or
Why aren't you doing that? That's a very, very interesting point. Why don't you get an indemnity bond from all the relevant players?
Indemnity bond from the person who's employing in the film.
The film laboratories, the labs in the studios, they have access
I'll
to
tell you.
Even the production by itself,
sir,
you have to obtain
I'll
an
tell
indemnity
you.
bond.
The medium
You have
pirate-
to create moral fear.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is the first
I agree
one.
with you. The problem is now in 2 years only we converted everything, it's analog into digital, right? When there is a film, you have to shoot the film in the theatre only. That piracy it's stopped there itself. But nowadays we convert into everything into digital. So every time when you are transferring data, there is a possibility of
Not imposing that.
Yeah, exactly. I'm coming to the point. Now only we are realizing. We will put that now into our discussions. Now we are thinking about, okay, we can adopt a system to control the thing. What I'm saying, this is very, very meager when compared with post-release piracy, right? So we have to find the solution. Now we are thinking that, okay, can we bring down all the work in one roof, like dubbing, editing, post-production. When they are discussing about the point, I told about them, when I send that song copies for Smoke, it's like a color correction. There, I think they copied the song.
In Maharashtra, for instance, you have, in fact, even being in possession of a pirated CD or DVD is an offense. But here in Tamil Nadu, it's not the case. Do you believe the time has come to actually make a treat a pirated DVD or CD on par with counterfeit currency? And also, recently, I think Tamil Nadu has agreed in principle to make even possession of pirated CDs an offense, but it's only in the nature of a warning and not actually an amendment to the law.
See, when it comes to Copyright Act, it is a central act. And regarding certain penal provisions, we have also suggested that since most of the convictions involve only fine and they do not involve imprisonment, we are trying to send a proposal so that at least when the court is giving conviction, it should also include imprisonment. That would put some kind of a fear. So that we are trying to.
Copyright Act only available section. Therefore, we are imposing that Indian Penal Code Act also.
No, Indian Penal Code comes only when 292 comes only when there is a
pornography. Yes, sir.
Sir, because it happens because of the availability. Because say, if you want to buy a vegetable, you go to Coimbatore. I mean, what is that? The big market.
Yeah, you go to Burma Bazaar. You go to.
Yeah, for the DVDs, you have to go to Burma Bazaar. Say in those days they were selling only the smuggled goods and imported goods. Now they are all converted to, I mean, DVD shops. Really, it is a big surprise. Just you go, you can buy anything. I mean, like for 500 rupees, they give 5. If you give, I mean, if you buy for 200 rupees, they give 10. You know, like
Are there
that.
enough rates actually, ma'am?
What he is trying to say
No, just-
that there is a demand
No, ma'am.
and there is availability.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
when there is a
Availability
demand,
is because of lack of raids, lack of enforcement.
Why not keep a register for the internet parlors? These people selling DVDs. Look, that's also one end of the problem. What is the track record of who is selling what in Burma Bazaar? You name it down the street corners in Ranganath Street, you have it.
Ma'am, is that
Why
practically
don't you
possible?
bring a licensing regime that
On DVD.
No, I
The gentleman behind
Burma
you
Bazaar
has
is
the mic,
fine.
please,
I think people are giving it the whole door delivery. So
Door delivery of DVDs.
Door
Yes,
delivery.
yes, please.
I come from the city of Bombay, so
Okay.
I've been seeing how it is in Bombay and how it is in Chennai. I've been staying in Chennai for the last couple of years. I see that the enforcement in Bombay is much more stricter as compared to the city of Chennai. As an example, Flora Fountain, which was a very commercial area, which was completely wiped out of all pirated books and DVDs in one shot by the Mumbai police, and that was a quick action taken by the police in the state. That is just one example. Whereas in Chennai, you see there are so many areas flourishing, with pirated DVDs, CDs, and books. So what is being done on the ground to actually enforce?
No, because for instance, yes, right, as he rightly said, Sudhir says, in fact, you have a police station overlooking, right under the nose of the police station in Paris Corner, you have Burma Bazaar, I mean, as he said, it's not actually exaggeration, it's happening. So do you believe the video piracy cell needs to be strengthened, more infrastructure, more people, and more proactive?
See, definitely when it comes to being more proactive, there is no second opinion. As far as strength is concerned, video piracy cell is only a special unit. It has got only 100 staff with 12 units all over the state.
For a vibrant
But,
state with the film industry so vibrant, ma'am, do you think it's grossly understaffed?
Yeah. So we have raided a number of places, even far-flung areas like Krishnagiri and Vellore, and there we have registered nearly 2,200 cases just now, and our seizure has been almost double compared to what was done last year.
Is a track kept about the CDs which are seized, destroyed?
What do you do with the seized CDs?
There have been problems there. I can understand what you are trying to hint at. There have been problems.
No, say it directly. Say it directly. I mean, do the video piracy cell people pocket the CDs after seizing them? Let's be honest.
That's the fact, actually speaking, because
let's not be diplomatic.
Many a times CDs which are seized or DVDs, films which are seized,
they are circulated like shawls,
and it's officially circulated around.
What are the ways to bring a section or any IPC in IPC, as he said? Is there any? There is no way for that. Always in 20 years in India, we are always talking about the video piracy without bringing an amendment in the law to punish the person.
Gundas Act is not enough, you're saying?
We film industry people, we are making now, we are aware, we are bringing cells, we are going to safeguard our all film in many ways. We are trying to do that, but there is no law. Nobody is coming forward to amend one imprisonment law in IPC. As he is a lawyer, Mr. Ilango, he said correct. So what are the ways for that? We will work for that. We will work very hard to bring it.
You can make the law harshest possible, and you can have the most strong cell, but unless and until you address the access control.
The socialistic view of saying that you're highly priced, so I cannot enforce because the price is high. Because there's a cost to creativity.
No, definitely.
There's a cost to creativity.
No, I'm saying that this cannot, this cannot be the only solution.
His price and his compensation for that.
Because it is coming back again. I'm saying that it is so lucrative that it is coming back again. You make it less attractive.
I think the best thing will be to give free DVDs with Kumudam on the day film releases. Okay, that way there'll be no piracy, but that's not the answer. Okay, that's not the answer to things. There is a cost to creativity, there's a cost to technology.
Apart from TASMAC, the most revenue income coming only by the film industry to the government authorities, but they have not expanded that video piracy cell.
On that note, we'll take another break on SL Chennai Speaks Out, and when we return, we'll talk about conviction rates and whether there are more cases of acquittal than convictions.
Went to Burma Bazaar, literally stopped me and giving me DVD in 20 bucks.
Didn't you complain to the police station opposite?
He was standing next to me, he's not got even to see that.
So what are the supports we get from the production unit, from the producers council?